Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Azure API key. Sign into the Azure portal, then locate the service you need, like Azure OpenAI or Cognitive Services. Create a new resource if you do not have one, then open the Keys or Access Control area. Click to generate a key, copy it securely, and restrict usage by role or network to keep your key safe and private. In this video, I will show how to get Azure API key. After signing in, click Create and choose the appropriate service offering for your project, like Azure OpenAI or Cognitive Services. Select Subscription, Resource Group, Region, and Pricing tier, then Review Settings. Finish deployment and wait for the resource to provision. Once ready, open the resource page to access keys and connection details for your applications. In this video, I will show how to get Azure API key. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and simple voice control, perfect for coding sessions or video calls. It fits on your desk and makes multitasking easier while you deploy resources. If you like this tip, subscribe and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Azure API key. On the resource page, find the Keys or Access Control tab and click Generate or Show Keys. Copy the API key and store it in a secure secrets manager, like Azure Key Vault, not in code. Implement key rotation and limit access with role assignments or IP restrictions to reduce risk if a key is exposed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.